We're doing Unit 4 on shop safety, and today we're going to talk about how to use the floor jack and lifting the vehicle up so that we can actually check the tire pressure and the tire wear. We're also going to be using a wheel chock so that we can place on the vehicle, and also a jack stand. So we can use all three of these pieces here for checking the air pressure in the tire. Okay. The first thing we want to do is put our chock behind the wheel. Okay. After you put the chock behind the wheel, the next thing you want to do is put the vehicle in neutral, because if you leave it in park and try to lift it up, the car will have a tendency to slide off the jack. So we're going to leave the vehicle in neutral so we can jack it up. That's the next step. With the vehicle in neutral, now we want to find a suitable lift point, and that lift point is generally from the service manual or the Mitchell on man. We're going from it and looking it up for the vehicle year model, and they'll tell us where to place the jack stand. So this particular one here is on the engine cradle, where we're going to lift it at. Once we find the engine cradle, we can go ahead and lift the vehicle up. Once we get it up high enough off the floor, we want to leave the jack stand up so that somebody will trip over it. If it's left down near the floor, somebody will walking past, talk, and they don't see it, they can trip over it. Feel safe to have it. So we want to do that, leave this up, and place the jack stand up under the vehicle on the pinch well so that we lift it up properly. Okay. And then we just want to ease it down onto the jack stand. We don't want to drop it down, we want to ease it down to the jack stand. Okay. Now, the next thing we want to do here is check the air pressure. The air pressure for this one here, according to the decal in the A-pillar door, we want to go ahead and check the air pressure. And the air pressure, we can go ahead and take the cap off. First thing you want to take the cap off, and use your tire gauge. It's a pencil type tire gauge. Place it over the tire, put the stem, press it, and it's reading about 30 pounds of pressure, which means it's right on the nose. Okay? Alright? The next thing you want to do is check the tire for abnormal wear. And that's what comes by feel. Abnormal wear, you're looking for cuts, irregular wear patterns in the tire itself. And if somebody's complaining about a thumping or rumping in the tire, you run your hand around the tire, and it should be smooth all the way around. All the way around. Just the top of the tire. Real smooth, okay? If it's smooth all the way around, that's not going to cause you any thumping nor other wear problems, okay? The next thing is checking tread depth. Most new cars will have a tread depth of 9 and 10, 30 seconds of an inch. And so what we do is take this depth gauge and we put it between the tire tread, press down, and we read the numbers. And this one here is reading 10 30 seconds, which is a brand new tire, okay? The state law says you got to have at least 2 30 seconds of tread wear on the tires all the way around, okay, above the wear bar indicator, okay? So that concludes jacking the vehicle up, inspecting the air pressure, and inspecting the tire for wear, okay?